at the construction site. Today we're going to the construction site with Bradley the builder. Hi there, Digby Digger. Please dig a trench so I can check that your bucket is working. Digby springs into action and quickly digs a trench. Hi, Carla Crane. Please move those blocks so I can check that your crane arm is working. Carla swings around and moves the blocks easily. Hey, Lewis Loader, please load the dirt from the trench onto Debbie the dump truck. And Debbie dump truck, already dumping onto the dirt pile, sir, Debbie says. Bradley looks around the site. We seem to have completed the job already, he says.
What was Digby's job at the construction site? Moving blocks. Operating the crane. Digging a trench. Dumping dirt. Moving blocks. Uh-oh. Digging a trench. Who moves the blocks with a crane at the construction site? Lewis Loader. Carla Crane. Debbie dump truck. Bradley builder. Carla Crane. Who is responsible for dumping dirt onto the dirt pile? Digby Digger. Carla Crane. Lewis Loader. Debbie dump truck. Debbie dump truck. Who checks if the bucket is working? Carla Crane. Lewis Loader. Digby Digger. Debbie dump truck. Lewis Loader. Uh-oh. Digby Digger.